Ernest Hemingway, USA, celebrated novelist, 1899 to 1961. Ernest Hemingway is one of the best novelists of the 20th century. Before entering the literary field, he worked as a journalist and he had also rendered military service during the First World War. His experience in the war created deep impressions on his mind about his fellow beings and mankind at large. He felt greatly disillusioned about the aggressive tendencies of human nature and the violent character of war. He wrote three brilliant novels, namely Men Without Women, The Sun Also Rises, and A Farewell to Arms, based on the war themes. These three novels were acclaimed throughout the world and established Hemingway as the leading novelist of the times. His experience in the field of journalism helped him in telling a good story dramatically in a sharp and effective style. In 1926, he published The Sun Also Rises, a novel with which he scored his first solid success. A pessimistic but sparkling book. It is interesting to note that apart from his literary work, he had a passion for bullfighting, hunting, and fishing. Physical courage is a prominent theme in many of his short stories and novels. Some other notable works of Hemingway are Across the River and Into the Trees, Death in the Afternoon, In Our Time, Green Hills of Africa, For Whom the Bell Tolls, The Fifth Column, The Snows of Kilimanjaro. Hemingway received the Pulitzer Prize in Fiction for The Old Man and the Sea, a short heroic novel about an old Cuban fisherman who, after an extended struggle, hooks and boats a giant marlin only to have it eaten by voracious sharks during the long voyage home. Hemingway was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1954. He was also a recipient of Bronze Star. As World War II progressed, Hemingway made his way to London as a journalist. He flew several missions with the Royal Air Force and crossed the English Channel with American troops on D-Day, June 6, 1944. Attaching himself to the 22nd Regiment of the 4th Infantry Division, he saw a good deal of action in Normandy and in the Battle of the Bulge. He also participated in the liberation of Paris, and although ostensibly a journalist, he impressed professional soldiers not only as a man of courage in battle but also as a real expert in military matters, guerrilla activities, and intelligence collection. Ernest Hemingway was born on July 21, 1899 in America, but most of his life was spent outside America. In the beginning, he was a vehicle driver, but afterwards, he took to journalism and became a newspaper correspondent. Unfortunately, Hemingway committed suicide on July 2, 1961, feeling overawed by old age. Thanks a lot.